Hello friends, I am coming up with Vedic match tricks. These are called crisscross tricks. They are used in multiplication. You can multiply 3 digit with 3 digit in no time, within seconds. Same way you can multiply 4 digits with 4 digits. I'll be coming up with my notes and you will be able to understand what is this crisscross. Thank you very much. God bless. Hello friends, I am coming up with my notes on Vedic math tricks. This is crisscross method. These are multiplication tricks. 3 digit with 3 digit. Look here. This is the trick. And you have to apply crisscross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 digit, 3 digit. Firstly, we will be multiplying this. Next, we will be multiplying this cross. This is called criss. This is cross. Then we will be multiplying like this. This with this and this with this. This is cross and this is criss. This is crisscross. Again cross. Again criss. So, first of all, we will be starting from here. We want to multiply 362 with 134. How will multiply? First of all, multiply 2 with 4. This is 8. Next, multiply crosswise. 6 4s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 24 plus 6, 30. Look here. Put 0 here. Take the 3 carry. Again, you multiply like this, blue color. 3 with this 4 and 1 with this 2. 3 4s are 12 and 1 with 2, 2 and 6 with 3. So 3 with 4, 12. 1 with 2, 2, 12 or 2, 14 and 6 3s are 18, 32, 2, write 2 here, 3 is carry. Now, cross, 3 3s are 9, 6 1s are 6, 9 and 6, 15, write 5 here, 1 is there. So, what will be the answer? It will be 8, this is 0, 3 and 2, 5, 3 and 5, 8, 3 and 1, 4. This is the answer. Now let us apply this on 5, 6, 7 multiplied with 1, 2, 3. पहले देखिए क्रिस 7 3 is 21. This is 1 and this is 2. Now cross 6 3s are 18. 2 7s are 14. So 14 plus 18 is 32 and 2 was carry, 34. Now 3 is carry. Write 4 here, 3 here. Again, 1 into 7, 5 into 3 and 6 into 2. So 5 into 3 is 15, 1 into 7 is 7, 15 and 7, 22 plus 12. 34 and 3, 37. Write 7 here, take 3, carry. Again, cross. 5 2 is 10, 1 6 is 6. 10 and 6, 16 and 3, 19. 1 is carry, write 1 here. 5 1 is 5, 5 and 1 is 6. So answer is 69741. Similarly, we can apply this on 4 by 4. Look here, these are 4 digits. These are 4 digits. Let us multiply. First of all, 2 into 3. This is 6. Look here, you have to multiply like this. Firstly, you multiply this. This is criss. This is criss. So 2 into 3 is 6. No, cross. 4 3 is 12. 2 1s are 2. 12 and 2, 14. 1 will be carry. No, again, you have to go like this. This is criss, this is cross, then this is crisscross. So 1 into 3, 3, 0 into 2 is 0, and 4 into 1 is 4. देखिए थर्ड वाला कर रहे हैं, ये मैंने लिख रखा है. कैसे करना है आपको थर्ड वाला? 1 into 3, 0 into 2, that is 0, 4 into 1 is 4. Here I have written this. 1 was carry here, put it here. It comes 8. So let us go to fourth calculation. This fourth calculation is, look here, fourth calculation is this one. Cross and bigger cross. Look here, inner cross, outer cross. 1 1 is 1, 0 into 4 is 0, then 3 into 3 is 9, 5 into 2 is 10. Look here, this is the total comes 20, so write 0, 2 will be carried. Let us go to the fifth, and the fifth one is like this. This is criss, this is cross. Bigger cross? No. 3 into 1, 5 into 4, and 1 into 0. So this is the fifth calculation. Look here, the fifth calculation is this. 3 into 1, 3 into 1, then 1 into 0, and 5 into 4. 2 carry was there, put 2 here. Total is 25. Again 2 is carry. Let us go to the fifth calculation. Fifth calculation is this. This is criss and this is cross. So ये छोड़ देना है आपने, ये वाला छोड़ देना है. 3 into 1, 3, 5 into 4, 20, and this. So fifth is done. Now go to sixth. Sixth one is, you have to go like this. 6 is this, cross. 3 into 0, 1 into 5. 3 into 0, 1 into 5. 2 is carry, that add 2. It becomes 7. Write 7 here. Now, next is this, last one. That is 3 into 5 is 15. So we will be writing like this. So this is how we have to calculate. Now, the formula for multiplication is firstly criss, then cross, then crisscross, then cross cross, then cross criss, then cross and 1. देखिए ये जो है 1 2 3 4, you have to do like this. 1 2 3 4, then 3 2 1. 1 with 1, 2, these are 3 multiplication are there, this and this. Then 4 multiplications are there. Then 3, then 2 and 1. So 1 2 3 4, 3 2 1. This is the way we have to calculate. So hope you might have understood it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on watching my videos. I'll be coming up with new tricks. Thank you.